Hi y'all, just down here at the creek today. Got the sluice box running over there. I took a few test pans and the gold seems to be pretty good just in this little area right here. So got the sluice box up. I'm just running as much dirt as I can through it. Got like 2 hours. So let's see how much gold we get. This is a little area right here. It's sort of an inside bend, and we're just taking out all the dirt all through here, just running it through that thing, and I think we'll get some decent gold. Not great, but decent.